Hello everyone. I would like to discuss to you the increment table that will be used in giving the points for education, training, and experience. Okay, so the increment table is a tool that is used to get the incremental level of an applicant in the qualification standards versus the qualification of the applicant. Okay, so in giving the increment, there is a rubric that is used. You can see this rubric in the DepEd Order 7 Series 2023. For education, training, and experience, there is the same points in the increment. So 10 or more increment equals to 10 points. While the range of 8 to 9 increments, the point is 8. For increments, that is 6 to 7, the point is 6. For increments of 4 to 5, the point is 4. While the increment of 2 to 3, the point given is 2. I hope I have helped the teachers in their self-assessment as they apply in the teacher position.